A very good day all and welcome back to Art and Craft a Hobby. In today's video, let us see how to make these paper chrysanthemum flowers using post-it notes. So let's begin. You will also need a pair of scissors, glue, scale and pencil to make these flowers. The post-it note I am using measures 5.5 by 7.5 centimeter excluding the glued portion, out of which I have taken a 3.8 by 3.8 centimeter paper. You can alternatively take 3.5 and 4 centimeter as well. I am now making the first fold, second fold and third fold as I am showing in the video. The third fold, I am folding the papers on either sides. On one side, I am further folding the paper into half and I'll cut the protruding portion. I'll now put the fold back and cut the other side as well. So this gives a shape like this. I will now draw 3 arcs towards the edge of the paper. These are going to be the petals of the flower. You can even draw 2 arcs depending on the size of the paper you are taking. I'll further draw 2 vertical lines. These are the partitions between each petal. I will now cut along the marked line. Use the sharpest portion of your scissors to make this cut as there are multi-folds. Also, twist and turn the paper so that you can cut in one flow. I'm now going to cut along the vertical lines. Ensure these vertical lines are not too short. I have just left half a centimeter space from the tip until the vertical cut. I have now opened the petal, the folds, and I'll make any further cuts required to separate the petals. To shape the petals, I'm using 2 petal templates at a time. So to make it, I'll align the petals as much as possible along the cuts. And then I'm going to use a thin needle. You can use any thin object, a wire or anything. And then I'll place it between each petal and I'll fold it around the needle as I am showing in the video. I'm now done with the shaping and I'll separate the templates. You can further make any folds if the petal is a little wider. I'll now make a cup shape out of these shaped petals using a pencil. We will need 4 such petals to make one flower. To make a disc floret, I'm going to use a paper that is 1.5 centimeter in width and 7.5 centimeter in length. I'll make the folds as I'm showing in the video and I'll cut the fringes. To make the disc floret, I have used the paper that was left out when I cut the petal templates. I have used yellow and green colored paper to make the fringed petals. I am now rolling the fringed papers. First I'll roll the yellow paper followed by a bit of green and again I'll attach a lengthy piece of yellow paper. This will give a mixed texture to the flower with green and yellow in the center. I'll now secure the fringed papers with some glue and I'll apply some glue to the base of this roll as well and I'll let it aside. Now to glue the petals, I'll apply some glue on the first cup shaped petal and so on until I glue all the 4 petals together. and then I'll place the fringed roll in the center. Allow this to dry for a while and then open the fringes. You can increase the number of petal templates to make bigger flowers. You can even give a differentiation in the size of the petal template, starting from smaller to wider. These are the paper made chrysanthemums. If you like them, please do hit the like button. Also, for more such videos, share and subscribe to Art and Craft, a Hobby. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting.